Okay, hey guys.
Okay.
So we thought recording you guys a video would be easier than scheduling another meeting. So we talked with Karen today during biology, and we came up with an idea that she thinks is really strong. Take it away.
Well, what we're doing is, for our topic, instead of, I don't even know what we came up with yesterday, but we were going to do voltage and bacteria growth.
So voltage would be the physics aspect, and Paul, you should let us know if that works for you, and then bacterial growth will be the biology aspect.
And what we'll do is we are measuring we're keeping, let's say E. coli is our
One bacteria that we're testing.
So we're using E. coli, and we just use the same amount of E. coli throughout the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
And then those little...
Like an agar plate. So it's like a little petri dish.
Thing.
And we're going to make different kinds of gels that have different levels of nutrients. So we're going to have 4 different levels of nutrients. One with 0, which will be like our control or whatever. Then we're going to have like 25%, 50%, 75, and 100 or something. Will be 5.
And then we'll
add the bacteria, same amount of bacteria, same kind of bacteria to each agar plate. And then each one of those agar plates is also going to be tested under 3 different types of voltage.
And then, so the biology students are measuring the bacterial growth and the effect of the nutrients on the bacterial growth. And then, Paul, you would be measuring voltage.
Like whatever levels of voltage there are, we don't know
how to measure
that, but you would come up with 3 different types of voltage. And she said that most likely it'll work if you put the 2 like tongs in the agar plate. It'll create like an electrical current, and yeah.
And it should work very well, and she said it was a really good idea.
So message us back.
Let us know what you think. We've already started one of these.
Yeah.
But I have my other copies.
So if you guys have any questions or anything, I know this is kind of confusing, but it's easier than just typing it out. So I guess we'll just turn this in Friday.
Here's our question. By changing the amounts of nutrients in an agar plate as well as 3 separate levels of voltage, which circumstance, voltage level, or nutrient content will produce the most bacterial growth?
So it kind of sounds complicated, but it would be really easy. We would just grow the bacteria for like 48 hours, so it wouldn't take very long. And then the data would be like really straightforward, and we would just talk about bacterial growth while you would talk about like voltage. Okay. All right. Sweet.
Message back.
Peace. See ya.